Unraveling the charm of old-fashioned recipes. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming topic that connects us with tradition and nostalgia: old-fashioned recipes. These are more than just instructions for cooking. They're a bridge to the past, evoking memories and emotions. Let's explore what makes a recipe old-fashioned, and why they hold such a special place in our hearts and kitchens. When we describe a recipe as old-fashioned, we're referring to dishes that hail from a previous generation. These recipes often use traditional cooking methods and ingredients that were commonly available or popular in the past. The term evokes a sense of nostalgia, taking us back to a time when meals were made from scratch, often gathered around the family table. Old-fashioned recipes typically feature whole, unprocessed ingredients. Think of farm-fresh milk, real butter, and organic vegetables. The cooking methods might be more labor-intensive, involving slow cooking, fermenting, or baking from scratch. These processes are part of what makes these recipes cherished, as they're seen as more authentic and flavorful. These recipes are more than just food. They're a cultural heritage. Passed down through generations, they tell stories of family traditions, regional cuisines, and historical eras. Engaging with old-fashioned recipes is a way to connect with our ancestors and learn about the past in the most delicious way possible. There's a reason why old-fashioned recipes have stood the test of time. They represent comfort, simplicity, and authenticity. In a world where fast food and instant gratification are the norms, taking the time to prepare a meal the old-fashioned way can be a grounding and rewarding experience. It's about more than just taste. It's about the process, the history, and the love that goes into each dish. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the cozy world of old-fashioned recipes with us. These dishes are a testament to the power of food to evoke memories, connect us with our heritage, and bring people together. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, consider reaching back into history for your next meal idea. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!